Is your 2011 Honda Pilot's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood and liftgate switches, the key fob battery, and the car's main battery. Start by visually inspecting the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or misalignment. Check the liftgate switch similarly. A quick fix is cleaning the contacts with contact cleaner. Next, check your key fob battery. A weak battery can cause the alarm to arm or disarm incorrectly. Finally, test your car's battery. A voltage below 12.4 volts can lead to erratic sensor behavior. Modern OBD-D2 scanners can help pinpoint switch faults in real time if you want to dive deeper. Doing a basic visual check and battery tests are simple first steps, but using tools to check switch performance and power from your battery will provide more details. Once you've identified the problem, here's how to fix it. For faulty hood or liftgate switches, replacement is often necessary. Aftermarket switches are available for under $20 and provide a cost-effective solution. Resetting the body control module by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes can also resolve the issue. Remember to disconnect the battery before any repairs to prevent electrical shorts. To prevent future issues, consider using preventive maintenance apps to log alarm events and predict failures. Upgrading to weatherproof aftermarket switches can extend their lifespan. Regularly check and replace your key fob battery. If DIY isn't your thing, professional repair averages $100 to $300. Consistent upkeep and proactive replacements are the best ways to avoid those random alarm triggers.